Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Energy Star toaster oven you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Energy Star toaster oven and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Energy Star toaster oven so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an Energy Star toaster oven. First, check the Energy Star certification label to ensure it meets strict energy efficiency standards, helping you save electricity and reduce costs. Next, pay attention to the oven's size and capacity, since the right size ensures efficient cooking without wasting energy. Look for multiple cooking functions like baking, toasting, and broiling, which offer flexibility and cover different meal needs. Materials and build quality are also crucial. Stainless steel interiors and clear glass doors often improve durability and heat retention. Consider easy-to-clean features such as removable crumb trays and non-stick interiors to maintain performance. Finally, read user reviews and compare warranties to confirm long-term reliability and support. These points will help you choose a smart, efficient, and durable model. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.